Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amex online guide step by step clearly. To start the activation process for your American Express card, visit the official Amex website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on login to access the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your user ID and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. To create an account, click on Forgot User ID if you need help with your username. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID. If you need to set up an online account for the first time, click on Create New User ID. Provide the required information, including your card number, social security number, and additional personal details. Once you have set up your account, log in with your new user ID and password. After logging in, navigate to the Account Services section. In this section, look for the Activate Card option. Click on Activate Card to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the last 4 digits of your card number. After entering the required information, click on the Submit button. Your card should activate shortly, and you will receive a confirmation message. If you encounter any issues during the activation, consult the FAQ section for assistance. Alternatively, you can contact customer service if you need further help with the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.